My name is Luke. I work for Tiger Pawn. I go as Tiger Luke, and I'm a manager for about 14 years now. I started at our Columbia store, which is in the middle of Missouri, Columbia, Missouri, and population about 120,000 people. I've worked 4 different locations for Tiger Pawn. I currently work in the Mexico location. Tiger Pawn has used PawnMaster since before I started, so my whole time in the pawn industry, I've used PawnMaster. It's been great. I haven't had any problems with PawnMaster. Before I was in the pawn industry, I worked in food service and restaurants and things, managed gas stations, and worked with a lot of different point-of-sale systems. PawnMaster is by far one of the easiest ones for me to have learned. So I enjoy being able to add customers so quickly. A customer that hasn't been in the shop before, I can enter them in and scan everything that I need to do to get them in the computer. I can do that in under 2 minutes without the ID scanner. We don't have the ID scanner at this location, so I like how quick it is. It's very straightforward. If a customer's been here before and I see them bringing in a TV or a laptop, I know what the item is. I can have them done by the time they get to the counter under a minute. I can have them printed out and ready to go. I like the price guide, being able to see historically what we've paid for an item in the past, how many we have in inventory, how quick it took it to sell. That's very helpful to me on a daily basis. There's multiple reports that we look at daily, weekly, monthly. The reports are awesome. The way it gets you the data that you need to make the decisions you need to run the business and see what kind of trends are happening in your own store. We email those reports, save them as a PDF. We'll print some of them out. Then the employees can look at them and see targets and where we maybe were a little lacking last month and where we need to pick up this month. The customer service has been awesome. On Facebook and everything else, you guys are very active, and anybody that seems to have a problem, you guys are always right on top of responding. Customer service has always been outstanding. I like what PawnMaster is doing on YouTube with their YouTube channel and the data education and Pawnbrokers 2020. 14 years ago, whenever I started, they taught us how to use the PawnMaster program, but there wasn't a lot of explanation into the reports and the features and the different things from the owner when they trained us. Now with data education with Richard and Jessica and Pawnbrokers 2020 with Dave and Rob, they really explain how to use the features and allows you to use PawnMaster to better serve the customers and to make things faster, all the way from checking inventory to defaults and everything you need to do, and they're walking you through how to do it, which is awesome. I like to think I've watched almost everyone. By watching those channels and those shows, those guys have really explained so much, and that having that is awesome for PawnMaster Nation.